Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix any Snapchat bug. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open any browser and you need to search for internet speed check and you need to test your internet speed. If you have a good internet speed, then you do not face any bug issue in your Snapchat app. Okay, so this is the first method. The second method, you simply need to go on to any browser and search for a Snapchat down, and you need to open the first website downdetector.com, and you can see, that after 8 p.m. there is an issue in the Snapchat, and Snapchat team is working on that, and this issue will be solved soon. So this is the second method that you can use to check. And the third method, you simply need to go on to the Play Store and search for the Snapchat. Open that and you need to update your Snapchat application, and after that your issue will be solved. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.